How to set up a low-maintenance garden. Although any garden will need regular maintenance, knowing how to set up a low-maintenance garden will allow you to spend more time enjoying your garden and less time toiling over it. Before you begin your low-maintenance planting, take time to plan the location and decide on the plants you will use. Other practical ideas will help make your garden easy to keep. Steps. 1. Locate your garden where it will be likely to thrive. Be sure the location gets enough light, but avoid placing it in an area where too much scorching sun or hot summer winds will force you to constantly water. 2. Test your soil to see whether it needs fertilizers or amendments. Improve the soil by recycling materials such as grass clippings and leaves found around your home. 3. Strive to keep your garden simple. Simplicity is the key to a low-maintenance garden. Adding some extras such as water features, wildlife feeders, and such, for example, requires more maintenance. Plant fewer types of plants, but plant them in mass. Having many of the same kind of flower or shrub growing together makes tending them easier. They will have the same requirements and you can provide necessities such as the proper amount of water and fertilizer all at once. 4. Keep your flower beds narrow so that you can reach the plants easily. If you have a wide bed, provide stepping stones or a path which makes easy access possible. 5. Consider using ground covers instead of grass to cut down on landscape maintenance. Lawns require constant mowing, watering, and treatments for weed control and fertilizer. Using ground covers helps eliminate those chores. Ground cover is especially good for steep slopes on your property as it helps prevent erosion. Many ground cover plants do well in shady spots where grass often doesn't grow well, yet requires little or no maintenance compared to grass. Most ground covers are low-maintenance plants that can be grown easily and are simple to maintain. Ground covers that possess flowers also add color and beauty to your yard. 6. Build patios and decks to simplify your gardening chores. Keep plants in pots that are easy to maintain and change out. 7. Provide edging around beds and trees to help make mowing easier. You might also think about planting ground cover or using gravel around the base of a tree to keep from having to weed there. 8. Purchase good quality plants that are either native to your area or easily adaptable to your climate. Check your plants for pest damage and be sure they are healthy. Strong, healthy plants will grow more easily and make less work for you. 9. Follow proper planting techniques. Be sure the plants are put into holes at the proper depth. Water frequently until the root system is well established. Having well-established plants makes them easier to maintain. 10. Inspect your plants for pest damage or disease regularly. Treating these problems early will avoid widespread problems in your garden. 11. Mulch regularly. Mulching cuts down on weeds and helps retain moisture, requiring you to water less frequently. Gravel, bark, and pine needles are some mulches you might consider using. 12. Install an irrigation system to make watering even easier. You might think of using drip irrigation or soaker hoses.